So, how to price your retainer for SMMA, your social media marketing agency, how you should select the pricing. Now, let's say you charge 10,000 per client per month. Now, you have to get 20 clients to just reach 2 lakhs. And to handle 20 clients, honestly, it's a big mess. You have to talk also, deliver results also, and share sheets and everything. It's a big no and a headache. And if you want to scale, you already 100% of your time will be trapped in giving result to just 20 clients with 2 lakhs. If you want to hire employees also, then you can't hire valuable employees who already have results. So I have been there. It's a big trap. The concept of starting your own agency is that you get time and good money as well as freedom to work from anywhere. Time you won't have because you're just 20 clients and just 2 lakhs revenue. Well, I think 1 to 1.5 lakh will be gone in delivering results and employees and everything. And whole of your time, 10 to 12 hours per day will be invested in just for this, and you will get 40-50,000 out of it. Money, you are just getting 40-50,000, which you can easily get in any job. Third is freedom. Definitely you don't have freedom. If you're working 10 to 12 hours per day and attending calls yourself, making PPT, making ads, and just with interns, so you have to guide everything. Given the end, big thing is after this, doing all of this also, you don't have the freedom. You can't scale your brand. Now you will be trapped there for like 1-2 years and nothing will happen. So the point is that if you charge 10-15,000 for your retainer, nothing is going to happen and it's just shiny object. You will think you're an entrepreneur, you will love it, but honestly, at the end of year or 2 years, you won't have any money, nor freedom. It's a big mess. Now, second case scenario is you charge 30 to 50,000. Now, honestly, many of you will ask that how we can do this, or they will very competition, they will hire a freelancer and all. Honestly, work on delivering more value. Now, let's get onto this point that if you charge 30 to 50,000 per client, let's say average 40,000. What we're capable of doing with Social Ninja from years, right? After I found out that 10-15,000 is not worth it. So first will be that if you're charging 40,000 per client, so you can easily, with 10 clients, you can do 4 lakhs. Now just 10 clients, can you imagine? And if you get 20 clients, it's like 8 lakhs of revenue. Yeah, it's that easy. Now to give them results also, let's say you have just 10 clients. You can hire a very good person who have damn experienced, more than your industry experience. You can easily that person on salary of 50 to 80,000. Your revenue is 4 lakh. Let's say you're a graphic designer also, and each and every department you have one employee also. Good. Then also at max 1.5 lakhs or 2 lakhs would be invested in that. Still 10 clients, very easy to do anything. Now you have time also to get another 10 clients. So with 20 clients, you can do 8 lakhs of revenue and still the employee requirement will be same. Now, with this model, obviously you have a lot of time because it's quality employees. Quality as in they can deliver results without you, and you are getting good money. Second, and freedom also, because company is independent of you, you have good money, you can travel anywhere. Now, apart from these 3 things, you have time to work on the business rather than in the business, which is the most important thing. Now you can get the feel of being an entrepreneur. Being an entrepreneur means you trying to grow the company. Right? This is the biggest difference. Right? Now you can hire smart minds for, let's say you want to expand in US. Now in US, you can start with around 1,500 to 2,000 per month retainer. You can employ smart minds which can guide you. Hire a course also for that. Good employees who can do sales in US, even good employees who can do ads in US, anything. If you're yourself, you can just do it. You have the time, you have the energy, you have the money. Now the pricing should be strictly according to this. If you're not able to do it, you have to work on your sales skills. Second, on the offer actually. Now I have seen that people selling their offer by saying that we do everything. That's a big problem here. You're selling it as a journalist. So that's the reason they compare your pricing with others, because everyone will say they can do ad if you don't have a specialization. So you have to choose a niche, understand the problems, talk to 30 people, then research, get their problems, write down what problems are they facing. Based on that hypothesis, you talk to another 30 people in the industry. At least have 60 to 90 people, talk to them, research, know their problem, and now know their conversation also, what words they use. Once you identify the problem, learn to solve it. For the first 2-3 clients, pay on results. And third, fourth, you can just show that you're working with first 2 clients, and from 5th, 6th, you can just charge right away because you're working with same niche industry and giving results. Now, giving results is very important. Your ads should be good. You should research a lot on this. If you don't know, read books, read courses, or do anything required for that. People are paying you for just one thing, delivering results. And secondly, give your best. You can definitely present their brand, their restaurant, or whatever niche you are into in such a way that they will get a good result. You can change their messaging. And one thing which helps a lot is competition analysis. Know what they are doing, the competition. Obviously, you can research which are doing well, see their ads, what kind of creatives they have, what kind of ad copies they are, what is the niche they are targeting, right? If you can identify that this kind of brand is targeting this niche, so you can see from this, you can get an idea that this niche is spending more. This kind of person is spending more. For example, let's say the t-shirt brand. You can research the t-shirt brand. Let's say Mastery is focusing majorly on frequent travelers, right? You can see that they are positioned the brand in such a way. That way, you can identify each brand's target. So this way, you can give results to your client in your industry, and you can easily charge 30 to 50,000 in India and 15 to 2,000 in US or UK, $1,500 obviously, and $2,000. Same way, this is the pricing which you need to have to make a good business. You have the time and you have the freedom to scale the agency, and this way you will also enjoy a lot being an entrepreneur.